Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. Today I am going to demonstrate how to make the DJ stitch, which is an extension of your J stitch. The video is already uploaded in the site. This also uses the same technique, but only thing is I'm going to use DCs to make the stitches, and it will give a taller stitch and it gives a very good definition. And this stitch can be used in any project that you like. Okay, for this I'm going to use Soft Peach Hobby Store Aran yarn, which is 100% premium acrylic anti-pill, medium weight 4, and its color code is 2030. And I'll be using a 5 mm number 8 clover hook. So I have done a set of single crochets for demonstration purpose. It doesn't require any multiples of stitches, and it can be worked in any number of stitches. So to begin with, chain 4 for the height of a treble, or you can make a stand treble as the very first stitch. So pull up to the height of a treble. You can twist it once, that is enough, and you see the demonstration how I make the treble here. Yarn over, pull the yarn from the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull through that loop and pull it behind the twisted stitch here on the hook. Again yarn over, pull through this loop and then take it behind the twisted. So the stitch has become to the height of a treble, and complete the treble by yarning over and pulling it through 2. Now for this stitch we are going to begin from the very first stitch. So yarn over once, insert your hook, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch, pick up the yarn and pull through. Now you will have 5 loops on the hook. So if you finish off 3 at a time, it will become forked half double crochet. Like if you finish off yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, this will become forked half double crochet, but I am not going to do that. So instead, yarn over, pull through 3 first, which will give a broader base to the stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So the stitch has become to the height of a treble crochet. So again, yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch, the last stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, insert in the next, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is how it will appear. Again, yarn over, insert the last stitch, pick up the loop, pull through, yarn over, insert in the next stitch, pick up the loop, pull through and give a little tug, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So the stitch can be adapted to any height that you require. You can do it with trebles, you can do it with double treble, etc. So this is one more time I will demonstrate. Yarn over the hook, insert, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, insert, pick up the yarn, pull through. That is from the next stitch you're connecting. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is how the stitch will appear. I will finish this entire row and get back to you. We've come to the end of the row here. So yarn over, insert your hook in the same last stitch, yarn over, insert in the very last stitch, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. The beauty of the stitch lies in these slanting loops that are formed. And if you want these slanting loops to be on the right side, if you want every stitch row after row to be on the right side, make a row of single crochets and then make a row of DJ stitch. Make a row of single crochet which is the wrong side and make a row of DJ stitch, so that will give you a beautiful pattern. Okay, if I made this as reversible, it will be on both sides. You can use this pattern on both sides. This fabric can be used on right side and wrong side. There is no right side or wrong side. It can be used on both the sides. Both the sides will appear the same. But if you want it to be on the same side, the wrong side will appear like this. And the right side will appear like this. Thank you friends for watching. Have a great day. I shall meet you with yet another stitch in the next video. Bye for now.